what is the concept of internship and how it plays a crucial role in the students' growth progress?
Essentially, students' career building is something is what they have to plan. Because as and when they complete their degree, be it arts and science or be it engineering students, they have
Mm-hmm.
to start their career in a regular industry. For
Mm-hmm.
that, it is kind of a preparatory part where they can understand the practical scenario of an industry. Because during the academic scenario, only your professors, lecturers, and other people will teach you on the aspect of the real industry part of it, the literature part of it, on the process part. But
Yes.
practical part is completely missing, and there is a lot of gap in understanding the practical scenario.
Mm-hmm.
This happens for most of the MBAs or engineering or any software professional or arts and science professional, where there is a huge gap in terms of practical scenario and academic scenario.
Yes, sir.
So, if you want to build a strong career, internship is something a best part where you don't have any pressure, getting into that and then learning that. It should be a learning part of it rather than earning part of it. That's what my recommendation is. And
Mm-hmm.
you get to know what is the industry is performing, how the industry is performing. The best part is you get to network with a lot of professionals, which cannot happen when you're doing in a college. In a college, you just max to max, you interact with your fellow students, friends, and professors. That's all. But when you go to an office and work as an intern, you get to work with a lot of different departments, which will give you a lot of networking, which will help you after your graduation. That's the best part of it. So three,
Okay.
four benefits is what I would say. See, rather than earning or stipend, students must have this idea of networking outside and learning something new outside and testing. Okay, testing in the sense, while we are studying, we might think, okay, one particular industry or department will be best part of it. Okay, we may not know. We assume things. Say, for
Yes.
example, you want to go to an advertising industry and work for it. That's your passion. Okay, but when you start an intern and work for 3 to 6 months, then you realize, oh, okay, this is not something which is matching to me. All right. So
Exactly.
that realization can happen, and you can move on to a different function and industry, which you feel it's the best for you. So that's a testing kind of things you can do in an internship without having any stress. That's the best part of it, I would say. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with talkmat.io/gskumar.